Hi guys, welcome to Bite to Coffee podcast, a podcast where we talk about random, interesting, funny facts and our personal opinion on it. And today's topic, gentlemen, is India's national TV show.
India's national treasure.
Indian Idol.
Indian
No,
Indian media.
Saregama. Oh, okay.
Today we will talk about Indian media.
Shit's going down really fast here.
Yes.
Second episode.
Second episode only. What is
So,
this?
do you watch the news like regularly?
Not at all.
You don't?
Not at all.
I mean, you're doing a good thing, to be honest.
Yeah, that's how you need to be
You're
in
not
India.
missing out.
Yeah.
Like, do you guys watch mainstream media?
Yeah.
Like the news and shit regularly?
Regular.
Like media in the sense, even newspaper.
Depends on what you call news.
Yeah, that's so. I mean, news variable is different.
You
but
mean do I watch channels?
yeah, channels or newspapers or
Yeah.
follow like random people on Twitter to see like what's going on.
Actually, follow stand-up comedians for my news. They actually.
Yeah,
do it
that's
better.
actually better. Like
That's a
stand-up
better-
comedians are providing much better news than the
Yes.
news bearers themselves because they're actually tweeting out shit like
Oh,
something
okay.
happened. You know,
I like last time I heard about a
Also-
stand-up comedian talk and news was that Kunal Kamra incident.
oh that guy.
That guy is
He-
very controversial.
yeah,
He's a legend.
He's like, like there's a boundary. He's like, I'll stand
Like,
I will
over
stand
it.
Kunal
over it.
Kamra level of dissing media is what I wanted to achieve in this podcast, but I can't.
No, we can't.
Because he's a legend.
Bro, we
Oh.
have like 300 views. Who will you
Yeah,
listen?
yeah.
Arnab
He
Goswami will be
disses
like,
on the media like
"Fuck you."
nobody's business, dude. Kunal Kamra is like one of the best. So, do you watch?
I just read the newspapers and check Twitter for my news. Nowhere else. I don't watch the.
The thing about newspapers is it's not that catchy as what
Yeah.
I would say.
And
like,
it's not breaking news. It's
See, I know Arnab is shit. That's right. We're talking about Arnab Goswami,
Yes.
the person who Modi calls at 3 a.m. when he's depressed.
Hi, bro.
You know what happened?
Oh, you're
today.
free, bro.
We should think about adding that to this fucking edit.
No, we will add that.
Are you
Like
sure?
at Modi at 3 a.m., he doesn't go to Tumblr. He
Oh.
calls up AG. Arnab Goswami.
See, we talk
Arnab.
we talk all about this shit. I don't want some Hindutva fuck coming to my fucking house and stabbing my parents. in the
Everybody
fucking
knows
stomach, bro.
Arnab is okay, but still something inside me
Arnab
makes
knows
me
Arnab is
Arnab
shit.
knows Arnab is shit. Yes.
something makes me want to go and watch him. Like I don't know why. That's the only reason why he's popular.
That's what
because,
they teach about, like in college.
Yes.
We have a class called media ethics.
How not to be Arnab.
How not?
How?
Officially, it's how not to be Arnab.
Yeah, but
But all of us know it sells. Like nobody wants to hear about 1 lakh COVID cases today.
you know what happened? You know that? Do you guys see that episode where Arnab was interviewing Modi?
He's like, oh, so cute.
Yeah. So
Dude, I
it's
thought
like,
it was a
it's
date.
like a fanboy of
No,
Yeah,
for
exactly.
It was a date.
Yeah,
He's like,
yeah,
"Oh,
yeah.
so-
yeah, it was a
Exactly
date.
like that.
So,
Yes.
Do you want to order dessert?
Oh shit.
Dude, it was like
Also,
no,
Modi-
Rajasthan is that.
Modi hasn't been on an official press conference for 5 years. His first press conference was
He's never had
yes,
one.
his first
He
was
had a
last
scripted.
May.
He had
Yes.
a scripted press
And
conference.
even
with
in-
Amit Shah was answering. He's like, oh, okay, you sit
Yes,
quiet.
exactly.
I'll do this.
Oh,
He's the
shit.
Shakespeare
He's the
without the poet. Yeah. No, so there was the interview between Arnab and Modi, okay? So Arnab obviously like, sir, you have
Big fans.
improved the country so much and, you
Kiss
know,
us.
and whenever, since you came into power, so many things have improved. And see, Modi sitting there, I know that for a fact that he is feeling embarrassed for Arnab, okay?
You can see
Because
his
he's
expression
like,
change.
"Bas kar
Yes.
na, it's okay,
Yes.
I know. It's like
If you think that is bad, check out Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar and Modi.
He did an interview. What would you ask Modi if he was...
Kajaria tiles.
Forget...
देश की मिट्टी से
Desh
बना
ki mitti se
He
bana.
didn't even promote his own brand. He's like, sir, do you eat mango?
What the fuck? Actually,
He's like, do you suck mango or do you cut and eat it?
hey, he's promoting slice, bro.
You know what I found
Arm
funny
kills.
was what I found funny was in that Arnab Modi interview. Arnab was like, "Sir, since you came into power, it had been 1 week since Modi had came into power."
That-
Arnab was like, "Sir, since you came into power, unemployment has reduced like hell, sir." I paused it. I'm like, where do you live?
Where?
Where has today I saw 3 people smashing their balls outside my car.
Even Modi will be like, bro, yesterday I became prime minister.
Yeah,
Saying-
I've seen Amit Shah's son. That is unemployment.
Now it's been 5 years, and if you still ask him the same question, there's
Yeah.
12.2 crore
You know
Indians
how-
have lost their jobs.
Yeah,
During the
so-
pandemic also.
You know how I
12.2
measure
crore.
unemployment? Why are you laughing?
I thought he was an understanding shit. He's just tripping.
you know, Chill it, bro.
Good.
You,
This scratching balls got me.
you know how I measure unemployment is when you get into an accident and all the other people come and stand outside your car and they stand like this. Kya hua? What happened?
Outer periphery. Whoever stands in the
Sir, what
outer
happened, sir?
periphery.
No, bro, I'm just chilling here.
He's not, he's there polishing shoes. What happened, sir? What happened, sir? And you know what happened? I'll tell you one more level of unemployment. One guy will come in his bike. He wasn't there in the seat. He'll come, sir, ye bumper 1 lakh, sir. It will
Oh,
cost
yeah,
you."
yeah.
I'm in the middle of an accident.
Oh, you mean the insurance agent?
Insurance agent.
No,
The-
don't
the-
call an insurance agent. He's some guy.
He'll come in and just give
Don't
estimate.
shot, sir. Bumper will cost 1 lakh. I'm
Sir,
like,
gearbox another 1 lakh. Sir. Who asked you?
oh God. Okay, let's move on to how the current scenario. How the media is covering Bollywood more than coronavirus in India
Once
from the
they
past.
find something which guarantees them TRP, they stick to it.
If you
No
notice-
matter what's happening around, if they find something which is TRP guaranteed, they stick to it.
Yeah, exactly
So
what a media is not supposed to do.
That's exactly.
If you notice this SSR case, right? First it became about mental health.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's layers to it now.
positivity.
And then when the drugs
We are
element
all
came in,
together
they
in this.
lost their mind.
Then it became drugs.
Drugs.
Then it became
They
what is
became
that?
political.
Then it became a murder case. Who murdered him?
Oh, murder
Then it
case.
became drugs.
Then it became Mumbai police versus Bihar
PR
police.
police.
Then it became Kangana Ranaut.
Yeah.
Then it became Riya Chakraborty. Then they're like aliens. I'm like,
So,
"Maza aayi."
Sushant Singh Rajput is not there anymore.
One thing you stick to.
And you know what the
Has
funny
he got
part is?
justice till now? No.
No, he hasn't. The funny part is the news anchor is sitting there and she's talking about random shit about Bollywood and murder mystery of Sushant Singh. And below, you know that sliding thing? 42,000 deaths reported in Maharashtra. That small importance is there. News anchor is somewhere. She's there in Saifali
like
Club.
drugs, drugs,
One fucking
drugs.
episode.
40,000 people died. It's okay. But Riya Chakraborty.
Which shot did she wear today?
Red color shirt.
No, let's face it, like the Indian media paying attention to COVID-19 is the same attention Jackie Shroff paid to his son's naming ceremony. Tiger Shroff.
Tiger.
I know.
He was 5 seconds away from naming his child Tota Shroff, okay?
Actually.
The jokes, Sabir.
What would you... His name is Tiger Shroff. You think he'd be
Exactly.
surprised if
His
it would be Tota
dad
Shroff?
was clearly putting one in the... Yeah, same attention media is giving to
Imagine
COVID-19.
Tiger Shroff's school days, bro.
Oh.
Tiger.
Hey, Tiger, Raja is there.
Biscuit ka, Tiger biscuit.
Another thing to consider is how the smartphone industry also went through a boom at the same time of Modi's first term.
Yeah,
So
and
they-
like Modi ended up launching like some 5 to 6 apps just on Play Store saying
You know
Modi
what?
best
Modi.
and
You know what's very fuck all? Like, very cheap internet,
Yeah.
a very cheap smartphone. They banned porn. Like, what's the point?
Ambani da. His best friend lives in
So we will give you unlimited internet for a day, 5,000 rupees smartphone.
I'll tell you how it went. I'll tell you how it went. Mukesh and Modi were sitting in a bar. Okay? They were 5 shots down. Okay? They were.
So,
Modi is like,
This is exclusive.
Mitra! Sorry. Mutra!
it's like God and the oceans, okay? So, 70% of the earth is water. You can't drink it.
I'm telling you, we're gonna die tomorrow.
Won't be surprised.
If I see orange color in front
Yes,
of my house,
yes.
I'll be
No,
sleeping,
no,
okay?
no,
Someone
no.
will open the window with 3 fucking white fucking pajamas.
Do you guys watch regional media? Do you watch Malayalam news?
Wow.
you're a
Have you
mother.
seen a Malayalam news channel? Let's start with
I
that.
have, obviously.
Have you seen?
He's
Asian
international.
Huh?
He's international.
He's
No,
international.
CNN, NDTV
I watch
only.
ABC News, bro.
ABC.
I watch Kaylee Lay from the White House.
Fuck
We
off.
are-
BBC, bro.
Beyond is the shit, bro.
Do you guys watch regional media?
Only during election, to be honest. Only
Yeah.
That
No,
Late
entertainment-
night
regional media is my guilty pleasure, bro. I'm not
I
even
swear.
Kannada media is my guilty pleasure.
kidding. Whenever I'm
Ivu
low,
Unte.
whenever
Have you
I'm
seen
low,
that?
TV9 Kannada Live. Okay? I switch that shit.
F.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that is L.
Hey, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈವ್
That is actually the logical explanation. If
Yeah.
you- Imagine Arnab Goswami is actually doing this sober.
No,
Yeah.
no way he is. No way.
So obviously
No way
on
he
some
gets
sort
up
of-
every morning. No way.
The motherfucker always does cocaine, bro. You can fucking
No,
see
also, you know when the Chennai floods happened, no? Like a couple of years back, so there was this Tamil news channel that I saw, She has, so basically she's taken a YouTube template of brown water flowing. Okay, she's taken that, downloaded the video, photoshopped herself into the water. So basically she's above the water. Okay, first problem, her dress is not getting wet over there. Okay, that is when it first struck me. What is this? What media is this?
Can you
And
hire
she's like,
better animation?
she's like basically in Tamil. She said, "I'm reporting live from the streets of Chennai. You can see that I'm in the middle of the street." I'm like, dude, you know how I found out this wasn't real? The 4 dudes who stand behind her. Hi Raju, hi Raju to the camera.
They're doing that.
ये मेरा girlfriend है.
This channel is
Though they weren't there, that's the problem. In every news
Yeah,
channel,
they-
if you see a
always-
Kannada reporter,
the animation, right?
there will be
Behind.
10 Londas, unemployed dudes who come behind her and they look at the camera like, shit like that. Because always about,
Always there. Fucking
yeah. So in that news channel, the 4 dudes weren't there. So I'm like, hey, how is it true? It can't be true. No, such hot chick is there. Who will come from here?
One thing famous about regional media, if someone dies, the background music.
Yes.
Have you like
Yeah.
recently SP Balasubramaniam
Rest in
died,
peace.
right?
Rest in peace, SP.
He's actually a legend, yeah. So basically, how would you cover his death? Dude, they're putting his photo. You know, all his emo songs, they're playing it.
Of his only.
Yeah.
His own songs.
ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಬಾಲಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯ ಬಣ್ಣ
You know, the guy is dead. Little respect.
Boys.
And the hashtags, have you guys seen the hashtags on Indian media? Like if you go to Republic TV, every day Arnav will introduce a hashtag.
Let's talk about Arnab, dude. Actually,
You want to talk about Arnav? Okay, it's
dude,
Arnav.
5 minutes for Arnab is not enough.
Do you like Arnav in Times Now or Arnav?
Yeah,
in
easily times now. Arnab
I
was a
don't like
different beast.
Arnab in general.
You don't like Arnav in general. Yeah, that's the
Funny.
concept.
He's had his good time. That Rajiv.
Pre 2014.
Yeah. And the Rahul Gandhi interview.
Yeah, the Rahul
That
Gandhi
was a-
interview.
that was good.
dude,
That was good.
Even today, if I'm feeling
Yeah.
low, I go watch that.
Yes,
interview.
that is probably.
Rahul Gandhi
What's the Rahul
From
Gandhi?
that to fucking drugs, de do mujhe drugs. What's happened to you, bro?
So he
Bro,
goes to
Rahul
Rahul
Gandhi-
Gandhi.
Yeah.
He's like basically nepotism question. He's like,
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
weren't a Gandhi, would you be
Would
a
you be a-
politician? I'm like, bro, it's Rahul
That-
Gandhi,
that-
bro.
Bro, it's like basically Rahul Gandhi's training to answer interviews comes from his mother.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So,
Every night.
so Rahul Gandhi
Can't
had
take your
one
daily
answer:
result.
women empowerment. He had one answer. That's it.
Correct.
He didn't prepare for the questions that he was supposed to.
Correct.
Arnab came, asked some pakka questions. To every answer, he used to spin some sentence around and add women empowerment in it. Okay. Now, what do you think? Would you be a politician?
So-
Mother, women empowerment.
So, it's like McDonald's or Burger King. Actually,
Hey,
women
that
empowerment.
women waitress empowerment. I'm like, what the hell are you talking about? Okay.
The most recent Republic news is, have you seen that reporter shouting at Deepika Padukone?
No.
So basically,
Padukone or Padukone?
Padukone.
Padukone.
South Indian da. So basically, Deepika is sitting in her car, going wherever,
Oh yeah, I've seen
wherever
this.
the fuck she wants to go. It's her choice. This lady, she's shouting at her Mercedes. It's like she's asking the car for the answer.
It's basically.
Are you doing drugs?
You know,
She's asking the
no,
car.
so
I'm
when,
like,
when
"Hey."
she came out of the NCB office, she got into her car and she is going wherever she's going.
Oh, this is recent.
Yeah,
Like,
yesterday.
yesterday
da.
or day.
So the Republic TV guy obviously as soon as Deepika Padukone, Deepika, like not for the fact that she's hot because she's coming out and he has content. Okay.
He has content.
So he comes out, she comes out and she gets into a car. This motherfucker, so he has a mic and there's a guy with a video camera. And every 2 minutes he has to announce the video camera's name. Aaj Rahul video camera se aa rahi hai. Aaj video camera Rahul camera video like that. He's doing that. And then they get into the car and then they are recording them getting into the car also. So you will see like camera moving up and down there. And so they show through the windscreen. Deepika's car is in front and these guys are behind. So obviously Mumbai road, one signal will come. Okay, so Deepika's car will stop, then some 3 autos and then one blanket selling fellow, all that is there, and then Republic TV car is there. So this guy, when the signal comes, he gets out of the car, cameraman also comes, again Rahul video camera comes, and then this guy goes to Deepika's car. Okay, Deepika obviously she's inside and she just came out of the NCB. For God's sake, NCB, bro, that's like next level grilling. Okay, this guy comes, holds the video camera to the her glass, and this guy comes, Deepika, apne drugs di, nahi, Deepika drugs di. what will she tell him that she didn't tell NCB? Why would she broadcast it to an entire
Even if
country
she did,
watching?
okay, even if she did do drugs, why would she tell you?
Yeah.
Why would she tell
To
Rahul?
drugs ki, to Sushant murder ki, and I'm like, what? Why would she answer?
It's like,
you?
I won't tell the NCB, I won't tell CBI,
Yeah.
but I'll tell you, bro.
It's like,
I trust you.
see, it's like you, as Madhavan, go and ask Kim Jong-un, do you have nuclear weapons? Why would he answer you?
Hey, Madhavan, I trust you very much.
Yeah, and these guys, and the signal goes green. Deepika's car goes away. The reporters replies, as you can see, Deepika ran away from Republic's questions.
What else did you do? Signal turns green.
She didn't run away. You left.
Fuck
As
this, bro.
Deepika ran away from the signal. She's avoiding Republic's questions. We brought to you Republic Live video camera. Rahul. No, but today morning the High Court issued a statement that media channels are not allowed to go run behind the car and
Exactly.
murder ki or
It's not ethical.
something. But
first of
obviously
all.
Arnab
Finally,
will figure
after
out
all
some
these
from
years.
helicopter se aake Rohit Shetty style he'll go in and
They've pulled off that in the past. They have.
सब two cars will come go be Deepika में drugs की नहीं ना रणवीर से पूछ
I'll ask Ranveer and tell you.
Thanks to Modi, Jammu and Kashmir still doesn't have 4G.
yeah obviously
All those are tactics, bro.
They still have 2G.
yeah exactly so basically the government is using
Have you ever tried
Bollywood
sending a WhatsApp message with 2G?
What's up?
Hi, it will take 60 seconds. How are you? Another 30 minutes. By the end of the conversation, you'll be 52.
imagine a guy
Two
is
grand
texting-
We'll have 2 grandkids.
yeah basically Jammu has 2G okay so if a guy is hitting on a girl in Jammu and she says send pics and before that she said sorry bro
Oh no.
the sorry bro delivered first and after 5 minutes the send pics delivered
He's already gone to depression by then.
bro the government is the condom in Jammu and Kashmir
Shit. That's very well put, actually.
So, you want to hear my story about how I started to use internet?
uh-huh
Until 10, I think I was 10 years old, there was no internet at all.
what do you mean
My dad didn't use internet. We didn't
Okay.
use
Yeah, I
internet.
mean, even my dad used to work.
We are
in
like
office.
shielded.
Yeah.
okay
But, I mean, he had internet for his work.
yeah no
But it
shit
never came home. It went with him only. So I think
he was Modi he never came home he went everywhere else.
so I think
And then
seventh-
sometimes once in 6 months, let's go see him.
If any right winger sees this, please.
Bro, I swear.
Chill, bro.
You dislike it's fine. Don't kill
Now
us.
I'm actually wondering, bro.
so in like
So, anyways,
so in like 7th grade, like you started getting projects from school, no?
right.
We had this thing called, the Tata, this thing.
Docomo.
The
Docomo.
dongle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
We
God.
had to go to Papa, be like, sir, project is there, please give internet. He would be like, okay, half an hour.
Okay, half an hour.
That half an hour, 20 minutes.
Or
Hard
25
Pudam
minutes he
Pandey
would come
pics.
back. He'll be like, half an hour over. I'm like, 5 minutes is there. I think I started using internet at age 14. The late
Yeah, around
comer.
that time.
For project work. For project work.
The amount I jacked off is a lot. I'll be honest.
I use double quotes too. I want a jacked up. We'll talk about some Indian media facts. The top social media networking sites in 2008. In 2008, the top social media app was Orkut.
It's
Yeah,
so
you can
obsolete
use
right now.
Orkut.
Orkut. Yeah.
Orkut. It's like Gmail ka Instagram.
Yeah, Gmail. It's what
Gmail ka Instagram.
It's what
Basically,
Gmail. It's what Instagram aspired to be at
Yeah,
one point of time.
so-
Yeah. It was a
Bro,
pretty big thing.
What do you
Orkut
mean
was
Gmail ka Instagram? How the fuck does?
yeah. So Gmail. So Google
I never
introduced
used
Gmail.
Orkut, so I have no
And
clue.
Gmail was obviously very formal, like mails and shit. So if you send someone a mail on Gmail, that same contact will be on Orkut. And in that Orkut, you can see his picture
You can
and
add
his
pictures
address.
and
And
all,
it's basically if Facebook didn't study. It's like Facebook didn't get into a university and he was 12th pass out, that's Orkut.
Oh, it's
Okay. In 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, it was Facebook. After that was 15, 16, 17 was a tie between Facebook and YouTube. and Instagram was like second, and from 2017 it's been Instagram and Twitter.
Only people who still use Facebook is your mom and dad.
Yeah, to know my dad
When
is
was
not
the
on
last
Facebook
time you
anymore.
actually used
My dad-
Facebook?
My dad's not on
Even
Facebook
your dad
anymore.
outgrew it, huh?
Bro, yeah,
My dad's still good morning.
right now, what
Ganapati.
Ganapati.
right now Indian media, what we use social media is probably Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and then I use Reddit for some.
Reddit is
I use Quora, bro. It's very helpful.
guilty
Quora,
pleasure.
yeah, I use Quora, bro. Some answers.
How to convince mom to go for night out.
No,
The amount of Bollywood questions on Quora is
Yeah,
insane.
yeah,
It's
it's
like you guys have nothing better. Huh? How many abs does Salman Khan have? Hey, go count now, bro.
the top 5 YouTube channels in India are T Series, YRF, Eros Now, and
Yash Raj Films.
Yeah.
I see a pattern.
Yeah, it was T Series, YRF,
Bollywood.
Eros Now, and IPL.
What the fuck? These
IPL.
are the top YouTube channels.
Indian YouTube channels. What did you guys think about the PewDiePie versus T Series?
Oh, I was a die-hard PewDie fan. I was like, fuck TC. I don't
But
care if it's
you have
Indian.
got to realize that
Yeah.
it's one individual
It's one
versus
guy
5,000
versus-
employees.
Yeah,
Exactly.
exactly.
And what is so patriotic about this? I don't understand.
It's
All
not a question
politicians
of
are coming, Indian media second highest follower. I'm like, man, shut the fuck up, okay?
Yeah, what the fuck?
But the
PewDiePie
way
puts in
PewDiePie
hard work.
handled it.
Yeah, exactly.
But
Yash
the
Raj
way
Film launches his son-in-law. Okay.
Hey, okay. Can you tell me why, like, what the agenda behind that Beyonce Sharma Jayegi? That have you listened to that song?
Yeah.
Can I explain?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So basically, have you ever heard Beyonce's songs? It's all about black pride. You're comfortable in your own skin. That we cannot control. But
Shooting ah.
he owns
we
the
have
songs.
low budget.
So let-
Subscribe to our channel, give us YouTube revenue, and we will set up a shooting.
Can you not edit this, please?
Yeah, I'm not
no,
sure.
no,
Guys, please subscribe to our channel. It doesn't hurt to press that one bloody subscribe button, okay, guys? Please.
So basically, Beyonce makes music about comfortable in your own skin,
Yeah.
black pride, stuff like that.
Huh.
So they took her name and they made a pop song called "Girl You're So White." Beyonce will feel jealous. That's if you translate
Shit.
Beyonce.
Holy, he's off his chair.
Camera dada, edit kar de.
Why? Why the fuck?
If you translate the lyrics,
I didn't know that's what it.
If you
meant.
translate the lyrics, Goria
Really?
means whitey.
Whitey, yeah. Because it's
Beyonce,
Ananya Pandey, okay? So
Oh,
she's-
okay. Oh my
Fuck.
god.
Goria, Beyonce, Sharma Jayegi.
you're so white that Beyonce would feel jealous of you.
But the layers.
That
in
is the literal and correct translation of that song. I don't know what it was thinking, but clearly Ananya Pandey wasn't thinking. But
doesn't
she
When
can't
does
think.
Ananya Pandey think?
She can't think. Yeah, she can't think. So I don't know what they were thinking, but they released this song and immediately people were like,
Fuck,
Sure.
man, that's
It's
fuck.
right to be pissed off at. What the fuck?
and I love how people are feeling bad for Beyonce. Like Beyonce doesn't give a half a fuck.
Yeah,
okay?
What's
You're like,
Beyonce?
sorry, Beyonce, sorry, Beyonce.
Beyonce's net worth is in billions and we are here. Our music industry is worth
Yeah.
millions and we are criticizing her and she's like, bitch, really? Fuck
But
you.
now they've changed it, no?
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Beyonce be like.
they
oh,
first
well.
changed the spelling of Beyonce to the CE, they made it SE.
B-O-U-N-C bounce.
Yeah, Beyonce. Also, do you guys think that media is being what someone posts on media is being taken out of context by all these news channels?
Media takes it
Every
out of
time.
context.
Yeah.
Any.
Media itself.
That's
Anyway,
become their
that's
sort
what
of-
happens anyway.
I'm taking a reference to. Did you guys see that Sachin Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar video of Tanmay
Tanmay
Bhatt?
Bhatt, yeah.
And how
Oh,
the
it got
entire
viral.
country.
They went.
It's a joke for
one
Take,
singer.
learn to take a joke.
Wait.
Hey,
So-
don't tell
So
her.
it was about.
We're talking
They're
about
I
obviously
think
gonna cut
around
that.
4
We're
years
talking
ago.
about Indians here.
Tanmay, you know that face swap filter on Snapchat? Huh? So basically, he had Lata Mangeshkar's filter on him, and he had a Sachin Tendulkar's photo there.
You know that
So
Lata
he used to
Mangeshkar's shrill voice.
Yeah, so he used to he was imitating Lata Mangeshkar, and then he used to go face swap himself with Sachin Tendulkar and hello, hi, we are like that. So people were like, how can you make fun of these two national icons by taking, and he said some random stuff about sex and shit like that. So and whole India he had 36 FIRs registered against him because they're like,
Arnab?
no, Tanmay Bhatt.
Tanmay Bhatt.
Yeah,
he's the
he
guy
made the
who-
video.
Arnab is the guy putting FIR on people.
And sometimes I feel that media takes it really out of context. It
Literally,
happened with
yeah.
the roast also.
Yeah.
The roast was funny. It's a
Yeah,
roast.
sometimes when you post shit out on social media, it's meant for a joke or a hilarious.
And there's a
post.
disclaimer, clear disclaimer.
Exactly, a disclaimer. Even porn shows,
But,
okay.
but we're
still.
talking about
You
India.
watch it anyway.
Huh?
We're talking about India.
Yeah, you're talking about India, but like even though there are limits as to which, how you can.
Again, we're talking about India.
Yeah. So Himesh Reshammiya was there in some party.
Himesh Reshammiya.
Yeah,
Tell me
Himesh
about it.
Reshammiya.
I want to know.
Himesh Reshammiya was in the party. They said,
Oh,
I will not come today.
Raj Kumar,
I will not come today.
Have
I'm
you
late
seen
to the
Appa
party because
Appa
traffic jam
Surur.
fucked me.
Who's seen Aapka Surur
I
here?
have a small feeling we need to edit that.
Yeah.
That was fucking
So what happened
embarrassing
was-
to watch. It was
So
fucking
obviously,
embarrassing to watch.
Himesh Reshammiya was in some party and some regional Aaj Tak or some Hindi channel. Himesh Reshammiya walking around.
Where else will Himesh Reshammiya be?
Huh?
Where else will Himesh Reshammiya be?
Yeah,
Other
correct.
than a party?
Himesh Reshammiya is walking around. You're like,
He's
oh,
fucking
aapka,
Himesh Reshammiya.
aapka surur, tera surur is walking around.
Yeah.
And this Aaj Tak reporter goes, and this happened right after the AIB roast had happened, and everybody had freaked out.
They asked him his opinion.
So he went and asked him, sir, how do you feel about AIB podcast? He thought, And then she So what happened was she asked like some 10 questions all at once. So he's listening.
Bro, which one should I answer?
Okay. What do you think? Who was there? Ranveer Singh was there. Arjun Kapoor was there. And, and then after she finishes a monologue and puts the mic to him,
Did he just hum and go?
no, he said no
Oh,
comments.
and
And then he walked off. He said no comments and he walked off. He just walked. So
This is why I
that's the
respect
biggest
him, bro.
rejection.
That's kind of
That's the biggest rejection that news reporter felt. And I'm pretty sure she works for Arnab. So
But if they like put all this news, would you watch it? Would our people in our country
I
watch
would.
it?
I would because
You would watch it, but do you think the general population of this
they would.
they want entertainment?
They want
They
We
want
are
entertainment.
Indians.
Agreed.
We are nosy motherfuckers. It's in our DNA.
They
You have
want to see
admit it.
masala basically.
Yeah.
They're wired.
They want to
I
see.
mean,
Your mom or my mom wants to know what's going on in
Correct.
this Padova
Yeah, that's
house.
also true. But yeah, everybody wants to know which
Pakkan
T-shirt
mane
Deepika
wo-
Padukone wore.
Exactly.
Did you guys know that in 2016 Filmfare Awards, Salman Khan got Best Social Media Star?
Is Salman Khan on social media?
And to collect that award, his brother came.
Oh,
He's like, "Kya social media?" to get that he
he ran over some potential candidates.
Yeah, yeah.
He's
No, because he has 7 million fans on Facebook and 3 billion followers on Twitter. We got king of social media star Salman Khan.
imagine these
I
award
think that day only he did cocaine and went
Oh.
for FIFA.
dude, these award show entries that these heroes do. They come on Harley or on some sports car.
Rented.
Imagine if rented, but imagine if Salman Khan did that on the way only ran over.
He ran on that.
Oh, sorry.
Driver, okay.
Actually, when I was, I really want to know about the COVID. This is when Corona had just come to India, like 2-3 months
Remember
later.
when we used to freak out?
Yeah.
for
Bro,
COVID?
100 cases, they were like, eh.
There were like some 600 cases
Dude,
in India.
100 cases we used to freak out.
Yeah, so
Like,
I went to
bro,
I went to
triple
Times
digits,
Now. I was sick of Arnab, so I went to Times Now and I saw Navika Chaturvedi there. And
You were sick of one shit, so you went to
Went to
the
the
other
other
to
shit.
the lower
I mean,
shit. And also,
you know, to her
after
credit-
Arnab left Times Now, there was a void of screaming in Times Now, and they were like, "Nah, even we will come and scream, we will come." And then Navika came wearing one sari. Hello!
like for like.
Yeah,
One
and-
guy actually stood up to her. I was seeing a debate. He's like, so many important things are happening now, and you want to talk
Focusing
about
on the
you
wrong
want to
thing,
talk about Riya Chakraborty, and she's like, we didn't force you here. I'm like,
Yeah,
how
we
do you
didn't
say that?
yeah.
How do you?
They
Some
use-
actress was eating her lunch or dinner.
I have no idea. No, listen.
So some actress was legit eating her dinner or something. So, and they asked her, why were you eating on a debate? I'm like, anyway, you won't let me talk. What's the point? Let me just eat.
In conclusion, what I want to say is,
Just
what
like
we want to say is,
Just
So-
like Indian media, we didn't do a research.
yeah, we did our
GDP is down 24%, but what do all Indians know by heart?
Ziya Chakraborty's
WhatsApp
t-shirt.
chats.
WhatsApp.
Thank you,
All
Indian
we're saying
media.
is, media to focus on actual
Get your
events
shit together.
and not on which
Oh,
brand
really?
Deepika Padukone wears to NCB office.
I don't care which crop top she's wearing.
And shout out to our DOP.
Shout out to our DOP, Sudarshan Raju
Sudarshan
Vaishnath
Raju
Chidalapati. No, that's his name, not his address.
You fuckers don't drink coffee.
Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you on our next episode. Till then, bye bye.